is going to be 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And notice that is my denominator, 6 pieces. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's go ahead and draw. See what this looks like. If you look, there's a nice straight line that we can use to split it in half. 6 is an even number, so we can divide it into 2 pieces. Draw a circle, put a dot in the middle, and let's go straight across, and then we'll come back and do the X. Okay, go ahead and try that a few times. All right, when we've got the hang of that, let's go ahead and draw some rectangles. Split it into 2 pieces. And I need to have 3 pieces on this side, 3 pieces on this side. All right, because there are 6 pieces, then we know there are sixths. Make this one a little bit longer. I'm going to go straight across the middle. All right, we have 6 pieces. All right, some people like to do some creative things. I've seen where they split it in half this way and go this way. All right, as long as your pieces are equal, they're the same size, they're the same shape, you can probably come up with even a different way. All right, same thing with the square. I mean, it's easier just to probably do vertical lines. 4, 5, 6. All right. Let's go ahead and draw the number line. So that's a 0, that's a 1. And split it in half, 2 pieces. And now I need 3 on that side, 3 on that side, so I'm going to kind of eyeball that. That's a lot of pieces, so make sure we've got 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces, 6 pieces. That means that I have just successfully drawn sixths. So if I jump over the first piece, I can say that's 1/6. If I jump over the second piece, that's 2/6. If I jump over the third piece, that's 3/6. Keep going here. And my whole is equal to 6/6. So I need how many pieces? 8. Four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, that gives me my denominator of 8. That's how I know that the whole has been split into 8 pieces. All right, let's go ahead and use the circle fraction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 pieces. All right, awesome. Okay, now notice these are 8 equal pieces, and that's how I know my denominator is an 8. All of the pieces are equal. All right, let's go ahead and take note here. We've got a line here that splits it into half. We've got a vertical line, and we've also got an X. So that's how we'll draw the circle. See if I can get those put back together. Okay, slide those off. All right, so draw a circle. We're going to go straight across horizontally. Go ahead and go straight down. Whoops. And then you're ready to do a big X. Again, try to go through the middle. That will help your pieces be pretty close to each other. Okay, remember, we talked about before the break that we had to have, every piece has to have a little bit of this round edge, okay? That is why we are not simply doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These pieces are not equal. This piece has a lot more curvature right here, a curved side, than say this piece, which just has a little bit of curve here and a little bit of curve here. They are not identical. All right. Okay. Plus sign first. Then we can do our X. There we go. You can practice a few times if you need. So if I say draw a picture with 8s, I want this to be really easy for you. Let's draw a rectangle. 8 is an even number, so I'm going to use that. Now 8 is cool because when I split it into 2, I get 4. And then, so really I could almost go again, 4 is an even number. So there's 4. I can go back and split each of those pieces. Okay, and then I've got pretty equal pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are 8s. They're going to be really tiny. Whoops. Some people like to do the plus sign here. If I split it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There are probably other ways that you could do this. Just make sure that they're equal sizes, equal shapes. All right, same thing, the square. You could go ahead. Because these are equal, I don't know, that's one way you could do it. Whoops, with your square, just make sure you make equal sides. Remember that we talked about that you could do through the diagonal. So if I do that, I've got 4 equal pieces. What if I do my plus sign now? Okay. All right, those are actually also equal. So you can go diagonally if it's a square for 8s. All right, let's go ahead and draw a number line here. We've got 0, 1, split it in half first. Then I need to fit 4 pieces on this side, 4 pieces on this side to make the 8. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm ready to label here. So if I jump over the first piece, that's 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. Yes, please write this all down. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. And last but not least, we get to our whole, which is also 8/8.